What do you do when you have a big ass trailer that won't fit on your truck? And you need to fit it on your truck? Why? You take a Sawzall to it. She's got clearance now though, boys. I'm sure it'll be fine.
Check out this new exhaust tip I got.
What you got?
It's a 12-inch. It goes from 5 to a 12. Listen to it. It's wicked. God damn it.
He's in his room on FaceTime with
Alright.
Piddle patter, baby.
Let's get at her.
Okay, just leave the other guy out.
That was too late.
Mr. Californiakis, this is all you.
Brandon, go a little bit more. You still have one.
Oh my god.
Pick up, bitches.
Making 2 trips. Let's see, we got there's 11 on the truck. That's a gooseneck bumper hitch, kind of homemade. One up on the neck. Got 7 on that trailer there. I don't know how many people put gooseneck balls on the backs of their gooseneck trailers. There's another gooseneck trailer, and then we got a handy little bumper pull that we've got a receiver hitch on the back.
Know what's worse than a bunch of hipster overlanders? Whatever this group's called.
What are we trying to do here? Fix his rubbing issues. I'm a marriage counselor for Wheels to Truck.
that motherfucker too.
Oh shit! What the fuck?
Hey, you saw that motherfucker up.
Oh, it's over with. It's over with.